Hello friends! Elf, Santa's little helper, came from the North Pole to meet you, so get ready with your paper plates to create this little elf. You will need a paper plate, red, brown and green craft papers, a black marker and a pencil, tan paint and a paintbrush, scissors and glue. Take your paper plate and paint it all brown. Once it's dry, design a hairstyle on the brown craft paper for your elf. Cut your elf's hairstyle. Glue the hair onto the paper plate. Now draw the elf's ears and nose and cut it out. Paste the ears and then draw the eyes. I'm just adding a white dot in the center of each eye. Glue on the nose. Then, add that little elf smile. Make a hat using green craft paper and cut it out. Add a collar. Now your little elf is ready. You can play with the elf. Bye for now. See you in our next video. Stay tuned.